Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print your name 5 times. So given the name as input to your Python program, so your task is to print your particular name, that is 5 times onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. First, let me take a variable in order to store the name that we are trying to ask a user to enter. So let me take a variable, that is name, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be of a string type and it will be stored in this particular, that is variable. So now let us try to iterate 5 times using the for loop. So let's use the for loop for underscore. The reason I'm trying to use underscore is because I don't need the index value. That is for underscore in. Let's take a range that is starting from 0 to 5, that is excluding 5. So it will try to iterate from 0 to 4 and trying to print the name. So let us try to use a print function in order to print onto the standard output. So I need to print the variable, that is name. So before this, let us try to print a user friendly message. So let us try to say printing your name 5 times. So let me copy paste the same. That is printing your name. Yeah, so this is just a user friendly message that I have trying to print, and you can see here inside the for loop, so I am trying to print it. So now let us try to execute this. So this is a complete Python program to print your name 5 times. So let us try to execute it now. So running the program, so enter your name. So let's say Rakesh. So you can see printing your name 5 times. This is 1 2 3 4 5. It has printed. Closing it. So let us try to run this again. So let's say code with TJ. So you can see printing your name 5 times. So you can see it has printed 5 times over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print your name 5 times. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.